So, major markets served by machinery industries include agriculture, construction, mining, and industrial machinery. Among the varied products are machinery, manufacturing machinery and equipment, compressors, and tractors. In today's competitive environment, manufacturers are faced with many challenges, such as requirements to rapidly deliver new products to the market, globalization, which means developing successful products by using global resources in spite of the pressure from low-cost providers. Also, achieving optimization by taking advantage of the resources through the greater productivity and more efficient processes. And increased complexity can be found in three things: products, processes, and production. In this presentation, we will focus on complexity in the production of the parts for the machinery industry. Now let's take a look at some typical part manufacturing processes. Now the process starts with an input from the part design data. Usually this is a 3D model that's created using CAD software. This data is used as input for the manufacturing engineering. At this stage, machining and inspection methods for the part are defined by CAM or CMM or related software. The output in the form of the G-code, inspection programs or tooling data instructions will generate. Eventually, this data is used in production to set up and drive the manufacturing equipment on the shop floor. Now let's go over some manufacturing challenges. Inefficient processes can affect production in many ways, as I'm sure you've experienced. For example, when manufacturer companies try to fit using separate software applications together, it often results in a process that requires multiple data conversions. To be competitive in today's environment, manufacturers need to increase their throughput. In many cases, the manufacturer software can contribute to productivity. For example, when the CAM software doesn't provide a complete set of CNC programming capabilities, or when the lack of application-specific functionality, it can reduce your efficiency. And finally, achieving reliability in the manufacturing process ensures consistent quality of the produced parts. Now let's talk about some Siemens advantages. Siemens can help you integrate your manufacturing process with a unified system. The process chain starts with CAD and CAM, and it concludes at the shop floor. The advanced and innovation technology can increase your efficiency and accuracy, and the automation ensures repeatability and reuse of the proven method. Siemens is a major multinational company and is a proven leader in manufacturing technology. It is established in the machine tool controller industry, and it has a global presence with Siemens PLM software products such as NX. We'll now look at each of these advantages and learn how you can effectively leverage each one. Let's go over integrated, which is one of the many. Siemens can provide complete CAD and CAM CNC process chains. The effect end-to-end solution is made of the elements that are optimized to get the most value of the shop floor production equipment. This process is driven by a 3D model part. The model moves seamlessly between applications without data translation, and all in one single product. Now, the associative of a 3D model enables efficient handling of design changes. The CNC programming and other downstream activities are driven from one source master model, so you can quickly respond to customers' changes within a 3D model. Now, in integrated, there are three main steps that comprise the integrated process overall with CAD, CAM, and CNC. It starts with the part design data. NX provides advanced 3D CAD software not only to prepare the part model for NC programming, but also to design the associative fixtures. The entire machining setup can be also created by using a powerful assembly capability in NX. Now let's take a look a little bit further into programming. Now for programming, NX provides advanced solutions in CAM and CMM with post-processing and machine simulation capabilities. The integrated 3D simulation provides a virtual environment where you can validate CNC and inspection programs, giving you the more production time on the machine itself. And lastly, let's go over some production. Siemens solutions for connecting the engineering with production ensures that the correct data is released to the shop floor. It also gives the shop floor personnel an easy access to view work packages, including CNC programs, part drawings, setup instructions, tooling lists, and fixtures. Also, the solution connectivity enables the information from the shop floor to be sent back to the manufacturing team, and thus creating an efficient closed loop. For example, the inspection measurements from the shop floor can be sent back to NX for analysis. Now, here is a diagram of the workflow. We can see how the entire process is driven by the design model, and also known as a master model. In the preparation stage, the design model is used to create work holding and fixtures, which is fully associated to the part model. At the same time, you can also add product and manufacturing information to the design model. This information will be used in the programming stage. In this process, different teams can concurrently work on the CAM or CMM programming tasks. While the CNM programmer creates the verified G-code, the quality team can generate inspection paths. The output of the programming step in the form of CNC or CMM programs, operation setup, tool list, is transferred to the production to drive the machine tool and related equipment. Now, the model-driven process ensures three things: associative to the supplied design data, concurrent workforce, and lastly, accuracy and reliability. Now, with the innovation and advanced technology of NX, you can increase your productivity and accuracy. Now let's talk about the next one, innovation. Intelligent toolpaths generate with NX can be optimized to machining processes. For example, optimize roughing methods, maximize the material removal rate without overloading the tool. A wide range of finishing techniques deliver superior surface finish quality. Automated creation of toolpaths requires minimum input and enables reuse of the company's best practices. With the features-based machinery in NX, you can automatically create optimized machine programs directly from the part design model. NX enables reuse of the proven method. You can manage and apply proven data to toolpath operations by using the machining database. NX automatically applies the right feeds and speeds for the given operation and tool selection. Now, let's go a little deeper into innovation. Here are some examples of an advanced capability in NX that enables efficient programming of the machinery parts. For the last multifunction machines, NX offers a complete range of machining capabilities that support simultaneous multi-axis operations. Using a graphical display, the synchronization manager provides interactive control in the machining sequence across multiple channels. Feature-based machining is a great example of programming automation that can be led to greatly reduce programming times. And then also, the integrated machine tool simulation can eliminate expensive tryouts and testing on the shop floor itself. Now, solutions from Siemens PLM software are deployed by many companies worldwide, I'm sure as you know, including some of today's major manufacturers in industrial and heavy machinery. The companies rely on Siemens' proven technology to support the manufacturing process. And that's where the proven side comes into part. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into the proven side. With the integrated and associative manufacturing environment, it basically brings it all together. From CAD, CAM, or CMM, and to the shop floor. Siemens provides manufacturing solutions to a wide range of companies, from smaller job shop companies to the world's largest corporations. So let's talk a little bit more about scalable solutions. To create a part manufacturing plan, engineers use a range of software tools. Siemens offers one of the most complete sets of applications, with NX being one of the most significant products. NX provides a complete suite of CAD, CAM, and CMM programming applications, all in one system, to support your full range manufacturing engineering needs. For improved collaboration between the manufacturing team, Siemens provides Team Center. If you guys haven't heard of Team Center is one of the most widely deployed PLM data management systems that we have. Team Center manufacturing teams can work together using a single source of information. The process planning application provides tools to build a complete manufacturing process plan and reuse proven methods. The integrated resource library in Team Center enables you to manage your manufacturing resources, such as cutting tools. A key element of the effective connection between engineering and the shop floor is how the data is transferred between the two environments. The personnel on the shop floor should be able to easily access the data and to be certain that the correct version of the data is being viewed and later used. Also, once the data has been received and used in production, there should be a record of the data being accessed and used as well. Now, the shop floor connect from Team Center provides means to connect easily with it effectively to the centrally managed plan data. It supports a direct connection to machine tools and related equipment to the shop floor from the central database. For example, you can load a CNC programs directly from the data management system into controllers and maintain the data and process control. The simple web interface enables users to easily select release revisions. Now, as you show in this diagram, this is an overall of the scalable solutions. By effectively combining all the manufacturing applications and connecting engineering with production, Siemens provides a part manufacturing solution. This diagram represents the view of our complete solution for part manufacturing, from planning to production. So the solution from Siemens provides some unique and powerful advantages, including three things: integrated manufacturing software applications and equipment, centralized data and process management, and lastly, effective connections to production. Now, like I told you in the beginning, this was a short webinar, so of course if you do want to see the full 30 or 35-minute presentation, we do have it pre-recorded, and we will be posting it on our website or our YouTube site. You can visit us at www.sisinc.org. And if you have any questions about the material, or you want to know more things about NX in general for your company, you can always leave the question in the question box, and I'll have our application engineer follow up and have that information relayed to you. Also, you can give me a call at 757-461-5206. I'm extension 104. You can also find our contact information at our website as well in case you're unable to write it down right now. Now I would like to conclude this and say thank you for joining us on our short little brief webinar and the insight of the part manufacturing with NX. And I hope to see you all on our future webinars. Thank you and have a wonderful day.